Hello dear friend. There is a ton of quality budget lightweight vacuum for this year. But which one is gonna be the best for you and your specific needs? In this video we will be checking out the best budget lightweight vacuum for this year. I have made a list based on performance features and more. I have included options for every type of consumer to make sure that you find the right product for you. Don't forget the like and subscribe button. Let's go.
At number 1, we have the BISSELL 2033M. This is a featherweight bagless vacuum that is really compact and convenient. It is a 3-in-1 machine that can be used as a lightweight vacuum to clean hard floors and carpets, as a hand vacuum with a crevice tool to clean furniture and hard-to-reach spots, and also as a stair vacuum. Its powerful suction makes it great for quickly picking up dirt and debris. This is a multi-purpose and versatile vacuum cleaner that can be used to clean countertops, sealed hard floors, low-pile carpets, and rugs. It comes with a dirt cup capacity of 0.67 liters. The dirt bag is very easy to empty without having to touch the dirt. With each purchase, you will be contributing to the pet foundation of the company. At number 2, we have the Shark IZ362H. This is a cordless vacuum cleaner that weighs just over 7 pounds. It is an easy-to-use and easy-to-carry vacuum that is powered by a 181-watt motor. It has a self-cleaning brush roll for powerful pet hair cleaning without any hair wrap. Its powerful lithium-ion battery enables it to run for 40 minutes so that you can clean your house without worrying about having to recharge the vacuum. This vacuum cleaner is equipped with Power Fins technology that gives you incredible deep cleaning on floors and carpets. The Power Fins are basically an alternative to bristles that provide continuous cleaning contact on any surface. It digs deep inside the carpets and directly engages the floor to clean them without leaving a speck of dust. This vacuum is engineered to emit clean air. Its anti-allergen complete seal captures and traps 99.9% of dust and allergens and make the air inside your house cleaner. At number 3, we have the Eureka RapidClean Pro. This is a battery-powered cordless vacuum with powerful suction. It comes with a 25-volt rechargeable battery that provides excellent power with up to 40 minutes of long-lasting runtime. It features a cyclonic filtration system that is specially designed to separate and trap dust, debris, and large particles. The LED lights in the floor head make it really easy to locate dust and pet hair. It also has an easy rest feature that allows you to conveniently rest the vacuum on tables, countertops, and furniture. It will not fall over. This vacuum cleaner has the dust cup and handles on the front of the pole and a slim nozzle profile that makes it really easy to lay it down and reach under the furniture. With swivel steering and a low-profile head, you can easily clean every corner and hard-to-reach spots comfortably from any angle. At number 4, we have the Orfeld EV679 cordless vacuum. This is a super powerful vacuum cleaner with an 1800 PA hurricane suction that almost reaches the suction of a traditional canister vacuum. This kind of suction power is very rare in such compact and lightweight vacuum cleaners. It is powered by a premium Japanese battery that provides 50 minutes of long-lasting runtime in standard mode. This again is an impressive feature for a cordless vacuum cleaner of this size. It is equipped with a 2020 upgraded 3.0 brushless motor that easily picks up pet hair, dirt, and fine dust from hard floors and carpets. You can use this vacuum cleaner in 2 power modes depending on the surface being cleaned. It has a T10 filter system that uses a stainless steel filter and a seal allergen system that helps trap 99.9% of the microscopic fine dust and allergens. It also prevents them from re-entering the air. Another great feature is that you can clean the dirt cup with a press of a button. All the dustbin components are detachable and washable. And finally, at number 5, we have Moosoo XL-618A. This cordless vacuum cleaner is available in 2 colors. It is specially designed to clean hard floors. It is not so good for carpets and rugs. It is powered by a long-lasting battery that gives you an outstanding runtime of 20 to 30 minutes. Its powerful 100-watt motor helps you clean all debris, dust, crumbs, and pet hair in minutes. It comes with an adjustable extension tube that can be set according to the user's height, arm length, and convenience. It has a 120-degree swivel sideways steering and 90 degrees up and down multi-angle positioning that provides flexibility while cleaning. It has LED searchlights that illuminate every dark corner and help you drag dust. Its filters can be detached and washed. You should replace the HEPA filter once a month or 2 to get the best results. This vacuum cleaner can be wall-mounted for convenient storage.
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed yourself, make sure to press that like button, and if you want to see more of these videos, make sure to press that subscribe button and notification so you would know when we drop a new video. Also, if you're interested in any of these products, you will find all their links in the description. Thank you.